All right, y'all, it is that time of the year here in Middle Tennessee. It's August going into September, and it is spider season. Now, what do I mean by that? If you're out on the trails and you're cruising along, there are cobwebs everywhere. You run into hundreds of them out on the trails this time of the year. And if you're on an ATV, that sucks. Even in a side-by-side, it sucks because you know you're hitting those cobwebs and the spiders are just falling off, or after a while you feel one crawling up the back of your neck. My wife hates it, freaks her out. Can't say I'm wild about it either. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these spider sticks installed on our son's Outlander. Brady rides this all the time, and you know, when you're out there on the trail and you're taking in all the spiders, it is definitely not fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the rack off the Outlander. It's the easiest way to do it. You can stick your fingers up underneath there, but really it's only a couple bolts holding the rack on there. So we're gonna go ahead and get that off. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut the spider stick to length. Brady likes it at about 2 feet. And then what I'll do is I'll take a cap like off of the end of a U-bolt, if you ever used anything like that and it came with black caps on it. I'll put that on the end of it once we cut it, because that is fiberglass and you just don't want that there in case somebody rubs it with their hand or finger and they get it in their skin, and it's definitely irritating. You could even tape it if you don't have a cap. And the spider sticks, you know, is what I call them. I mean, it's just basically a dune flag. But you can get these anywhere really, Amazon, your local power sports dealer, or you can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, get some sort of a flexible stick. But the thing I like about the flags is it already has the bolts on the end of it, and it fits right in the stock holes on the vehicles. Well, there we go, guys. We got our spider sticks, cobweb catchers, whatever you want to call them, installed. I think there used to be some companies that made this kind of thing a few years ago, but I don't know who's around now since COVID. There's so many companies being bought and sold and going out of business. So, you know, I just really kind of make these for myself, and it's pretty easy to do for a DIY project. There you go, guys. Take care. Have a good one.